Hello guys! So I'm making a little video for you with a tutorial on how to use our new application which we will use instead of Google Calendar. So let's start. First of all, you need to accept an invitation which I have sent you by email. So you click accept invitation and then it will ask you to put in a password. So you choose whatever password you want and you put it in. Right after that, when you have added your password, meaning you have registered yourself into the application, then you can download it. So the application name is called RotaCloud. You find it in Google Play Store, or if you use iPhones, I think in some kind of Apple Store. So right after you have downloaded the application, I already did, so is here. This is how it looks when you open it. And you will see all your shifts here. Now on the dashboard you can see two things. Your next shift, and it says the time, and it also says the customer and the date. And then you can see open shifts. Now what it is, the open shifts. Every time we have a client which is not assigned to anybody of you, we will put it in as an open shift. What it means for you, that you can actually sign up on that shift and have that job. So that's why it's a good idea to check your application daily, and then you can see and catch jobs which are available. So how do we do it? You can either click on open shifts and then it shows you the open shifts, or you can click here to this other icon next to the dashboard, and here you can see all my shifts and all open shifts. My shifts meaning your shifts, yeah. Open shifts. We go here to the open shifts, and then for example, let's take one. This one on 9th of January, Alan Fornox. So he is there from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. If you want to see more information about this job, you click here on this black little icon and it will tell you all the details. Now we will do two things, me and Alena. In case the customer, which is in open shift, in case he has flexibility with timing, we will note it here. So you will know that that job is for that day, but the client is flexible on time. So even 9:30 is not good for you, but you can work 11:30, then you can still write to Alena or to me and ask if we can have that shift for that time. Now in this specific client, it says job must start at 9:30 a.m. So you only apply for this job if you can do it 9:30 a.m. Also, the second thing is that we will note if the job is only a one-time cleaning, like a one-off, or if is it a regular cleaning. So in this specific case, again, it says 2 hours fortnightly on Wednesday, regular clean. So this is 2 hours fortnightly. So we ideally want someone who can take this client on a fortnightly basis, always Wednesday 9:30. Now, when you see these open shifts and you want to sign up for a shift like that, how do you do it? Is that you click on the shift and it will say claim shift. You click on the claim shift and it say want to work this shift, and then you confirm it by saying claim shift. Once you have clicked that, it will automatically be added to your rota, to your shifts. Now, a second thing, very important, what you can do in this application is to let us know about your availability. Now, what do I mean by that? Some of you can work only few days a week, or some of you have some days where you would like to have more hours. For example, you have a job at 2 o'clock afternoon, but you have nothing in the morning. So by adding your availability, you help me and Alena to manage your schedule and in the first possible occasion give you the hours which you need. So how do you do it? Here at this screen, you click here in the top to this icon, and then it says availability. Here down at the bottom there is a plus sign, click on it, and you name your availability. For example, you add your name, yeah, I'm Joseph, yeah, and I say weekly availability, okay, and then you can choose onwards or a specific dates. If you choose onwards, it will automatically be a weekly schedule. Like if you click Monday that you are available, then it will show up on every Monday. But you can choose a specific dates and then put it in from, I don't know, from some time to some time. And then your, for example, right now you have family here and you cannot work Thursdays and Fridays, and your family stays for 2 weeks. So you put in 2 weeks. Yep. And you mark that Friday you are not available. So here you can actually add your availability or unavailability. Now it's up to you which one you add. You can add both. I know, for example, one of our colleagues, he never works on Friday. So in that case, I would say Friday all day. So Friday he is not available. But he is available on Monday all day and Tuesday. Let's say, just so you see, Tuesday he is available from 10 o'clock morning until 2 o'clock afternoon. Yeah. And when you have done that, you just click here on the top and save it. So that way, when you do this, we will see in the schedule your preferred available days. Yeah, this is, we would like to use this as much as possible. I believe it will really help us to, make the schedule more quick and efficient. So another thing is that you can actually let us know when are you going on vacation. By clicking here on this plane leave, you can book your tickets with Ryanair. No, I'm joking. So you just click leave and then you click the plus button. It says holiday, and then you choose the start day and the end day. Now you can write as a message, for example, that thank you for being a perfect boss or something like that, and you save it. So when you do this, we will automatically see your request on a holiday, and we can start to work on managing your clients with replacements and so on. Yeah. So these are the three important things. One is that you see your shifts. Another one that you can sign up for open shifts. And the third thing is, well, 3 and 4, the leave. So you can let us know when are you leaving for holiday, and that you can let us know your availability during the weeks. What else can I show you here? Yes, for example, another thing you can do, let's say if I look at my shifts, I can see that 17th January I have a shift here at Briton Travel customer. So, but I already know that I cannot work that day, or specifically not from 9 to 12 because I have to go to a dentist. So what can I do with this? I can let know my supervisor about my unavailability specifically for that shift. It can happen that in one day you have two clients. One you can do, but the other one you can't for whatever reasons. Then you can ask or let us know about that here from the application. So what I do, I click here on these three buttons and I click request unavailability. And I say, I will be at the dentist. Yep. And I click request unavailability. That way, Alena will see this and she can plan a replacement for you. Also, you can do this just 2 days before the shift as the latest. For example, now is Wednesday, so you can let us know about your unavailability for any shift on Friday. But you cannot do that for tomorrow's shifts, yeah? Which I think we used to do this also before. If you cannot do work, you let us know at least 2 days before. It's not like you can change shifts from day to day. So that's not possible here in the application. Yep. So now I have sent a request for unavailability, and Alena can work with that. Now another thing, I forgot to say, when you are going for holidays and you want us to know that you have vacation, you need to let us know 5 days in advance. So 5 days, not working days, but 5 days before you go for holiday. So this is the application we will use. I have tested for a few days now. It works perfect. Once happened that it froze up, then I had to just restart it, and it worked well again. Another few things you can set here is, for example, notifications. You can click which notifications you want to receive or you don't want to. You can receive notifications by a little message on your smartphone here on the top, or by email. And then also you can add your details, your address, phone number, postcode, or whatever. So I think that was all. Did I forget something? No. So that was all. I hope this will help us. If you have any feedback or question, or something doesn't work, or you don't know something, let me know. I am also learning how to use this at the moment, so it's all fresh and new for all of us. Thanks very much. See you soon. Bye.